Hey guys, Happy New Year. So let's go do a little work on the van.
So we're gonna make the fridge look better. Oh, are you gonna have me put the stainless thing on the fridge?
Yeah, we're gonna put the stainless
Cover?
cover on the front of the fridge.
So that will be the final thing for the kitchen?
Yeah.
Okay. Go for it, baby. Okay, so you're taking out the fridge thing? The cover? Yep.
So that's what it looks like. And we're gonna put some stainless steel material on here. So we'll see how it looks. It'll probably actually look a little bit like this when we're done, but a little shiny.
I think it's gonna look better than that.
Yeah, probably. All right, so
Here we go.
here we go.
So, Daddy brought in the cover of the fridge, which we are going to clean, and then we're gonna cover in stainless steel. So step 1 is cleaning, step 2 we cut it to size, step 3, once the surface is dry, use a card to take out the bubbles. Okay, first step is clean. Using her towel because it has to be without grease. So that it sticks. It's not gonna go over, so I'm gonna keep it at the edge. So we're gonna cut it at grid 10. Does it have to be perfect? No, because then we will be cutting it. Turn it over. Sure. It's in the direction that we want. Use a card and squeegee to take out any kind of bubbles. Right here. Now, this part is pretty much the most important one and will take time. It's right here, isn't it? Imperfection. But it's not really a big deal. Pretty good. Whoa. Okay. I'm not going to do the whole thing like this. It's going to take forever, so we'll show you near the end. Gotta make sure there's no bubbles. Good job, honey.
Thanks.
Sticky, isn't it?
Just a little.
Pretty good. Ta-da!
So it's covered now. Let's go install it.
Oh boy, that's a lot of snow.
All right. So I guess that's it.
Cool. You're gonna show them a final of the kitchen?
Sure.
Pretty good, honey. The fan is in, the microwave's in, the fridge is what we want. You happy?
So far, so good.
What's next, honey?
Well, next we kill matted the floor in the back, and we're going to be putting a little bit of Havelock wool in the grooves, and then we're going to be putting the plywood for the floor, subfloor, and then another vinyl flooring on top of that. So
Technically,
big projects coming up.
you're awesome. Technically, though, the next thing is taking the snow off the van.
Yeah, technically we gotta keep taking the snow off the van as it comes down. Yeah. Thanks for reminding me.
It's your responsibility, not mine.
All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our YouTube video. Subscribe, like, and share. Please comment, we want to hear from you, and hit the bell to be aware of our new videos. Bye! Good job, honey.